Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now in the current landscape of high-yield savings accounts, Forbright Bank's Growth Savings Account has been turning heads with its impressive annual percentage yield APY. But is it truly the right choice for your savings goals? Let's break down the pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Let's go ahead with the video. First, let's take a look at the pros of Forbright Bank High Yield Savings Account. The most striking aspect of Forbright's Growth Savings Account is undoubtedly its sky-high APY, currently standing at an impressive 30% as of August 2024. This rate far surpasses the national average for savings accounts, which typically hovers around a meager 42%, and even outshines many other online high-yield savings accounts. By choosing Forbright, you essentially supercharge your savings growth, earning significantly more interest on your deposited funds and accelerating your progress towards financial goals. Forbright's Growth Savings Account welcomes savers of all financial standings, requiring no minimum balance to open or maintain an account. This eliminates the barrier of entry often seen with other high-yield accounts, which might mandate a certain minimum deposit to unlock the advertised APY. With Forbright, even if you're starting small, you can still enjoy the benefits of their competitive interest rate and watch your savings grow steadily over time. Forbright Bank understands that every penny counts when it comes to saving. That's why they've eliminated monthly maintenance fees for their growth savings account. You won't have to worry about hidden charges eating into your hard-earned interest, allowing you to keep more of what you earn and further boost your savings potential. This fee-free structure aligns with Forbright's commitment to providing a transparent and accessible savings experience. Embrace the convenience and flexibility of modern banking with Forbright's online-only growth savings account. You can open and manage your account entirely online or through their user-friendly mobile app, eliminating the need for time-consuming trips to a physical branch. This streamlined approach lets you effortlessly deposit funds, track your balance, and even initiate transfers, all from the comfort of your home or on the go. Forbright Bank prioritizes the security of your savings, offering FDIC insurance for your deposits. This means that in the unlikely event of the bank's failure, your funds are protected up to the federally mandated limit, currently set at $250,000 per depositor per insured bank for each account ownership category. This insurance provides peace of mind, knowing that your savings are safeguarded and readily available when you need them. Now let's take a look at the cons of Forbright Bank High Yield Savings Account. While the Growth Savings Account provides unlimited transfers, it's crucial to remember it's an online-only account. This means you won't have the convenience of a debit card or ATM access for immediate cash withdrawals or purchases. If you need to access your funds quickly, you'll have to initiate a transfer to an external account, which can take a few business days to process. This lack of immediate access can be inconvenient for those who value liquidity and flexibility in managing their money. Forbright Bank operates primarily online, with a limited physical presence consisting of only a handful of branches in Virginia and Maryland. This can be a major drawback for customers who prefer in-person banking services, such as depositing cash, seeking personalized financial advice, or resolving complex account issues face-to-face. If you rely on frequent branch visits or require in-person support, Forbright's limited physical network might not be the most suitable option. Although Forbright Bank strives to provide excellent customer service, some customer reviews have highlighted occasional issues with response times and resolving account-related problems. While the majority of users seem satisfied with their experience, it's important to be aware that you might encounter delays or difficulties in getting timely assistance, especially during peak hours or complex inquiries. Compared to long-established online banks with decades of experience, Forbright Bank is a relatively new player in the financial landscape. While it boasts a solid financial backing and has garnered positive reviews, some individuals might prefer the perceived stability and reputation of a more seasoned institution. If you're hesitant about trusting your savings to a newer bank, Forbright's relative youth might be a factor to consider. The current APY of 30% is undeniably attractive, But it's important to remember that interest rates are subject to change. Economic conditions, market fluctuations, and the bank's internal policies can all influence future APY adjustments. While Forbright's rate has been consistently competitive, there's no guarantee that it will remain at its current high level indefinitely. It's wise to stay informed about interest rate trends and be prepared to switch accounts if a more favorable offer becomes available elsewhere. So, is it worth it? If you prioritize maximizing your savings growth and don't mind the limited access to funds or potential customer service hiccups, Forbright's Growth Savings Account is a strong contender. Its high APY, lack of fees, and online accessibility make it a compelling option for those seeking to boost their savings potential. However, if you need a debit card, ATM access, or prefer in-person banking, you might need to explore other options. Remember, it's always a good practice to compare rates and features from multiple banks before making a final decision. It's also wise to keep an eye on interest rate trends and be prepared to switch accounts if a more attractive offer arises. Well, I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.